show your beautiful face, Lilo. Hi everyone! As you have noticed, I haven't created some videos for some while, and yeah, I decided I need to take a break in this channel. I just don't have enough time and energy to create videos for now, but I hope in future I will create videos again about the dogs. About our dogs. Yeah, so today I wanted to share about one dog, Lilo. Lilo. Lilo is the mother of 9 of 4 puppies. Yeah, they are not puppies anymore, they are already 4 years old. And Lilo had uterus infection. We spent New Year Eve in vet clinic, and Lilo had urgent operation. She is now living inside with us for 3 weeks and she feels perfect, and yeah, everything went very good. Yeah, this kind of infection, Lilo is the first dog who had this kind of problem, how to say. And yeah, and we were lucky then we could call the vet, and they were ready to check Lilo. They took blood sample and also they had ultrasound, so they could really decide, how to say, how urgent is to make operation and what is best for her. So yeah, Lilo. Yeah, Lilo, show please. So you can see here is still marks from operation. And Lilo, will you show your stomach? Yeah, I don't know, maybe not. But yeah, the wound healed very good, and we just need to wait while the fur grows, and then we can put her outside again, and she can live outside again. Yeah, and now we are trying to keep the temperature is inside not too hot. Yeah, now we have outside is -7, inside is almost +12. Yeah. Anyway, we don't like to live in when it's warm ourselves, but because Lilo is inside, we try to keep not higher than 15 degrees, +15 degrees. So she can feel comfortable. And yeah, she's Lilo. She's inside with us all day. Yeah, enjoying inside life. First 2 days after operation we were using something like this body, and Lilo even managed to bite a hole because she wanted to lick the wound. Yeah, this helped while she was not feeling good, and yeah, we gave her painkillers and antibiotics for 4 days. But when she started to feel good, yeah, she managed to get out of this body very fast, so it didn't help. And so we bought this one. Yeah, what you put around the neck. Yeah, this is very fancy one. Yeah, Lilo. She don't want to put it. Yeah, but this saved her like from licking the wound, and yeah, wound healed very good. So we are happy about. I recommend after operation just to check the dog, don't lick the wound, and then yeah, Lilo. Yeah, so we are going outside with dogs. A couple of days ago it was minus 19 degrees. Yeah, the weather here is changing, I don't know, after 10 days, 2 weeks. We can get plus degrees, rain, then again minus degrees, very cold, and snow, and yeah, pretty interesting weather here. Yeah, but we are going out with dogs as much as we can. Yeah, I think I will put in this video some pictures what I took while we were out with the dogs. And polar night is over, so we are getting more light, and in nearest town I already saw then little sun is coming up, so they already can see the sun a little bit during the day, but here where really we still don't see the sun. But still the feeling then it's getting lighter and lighter. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, so we are happy then Lilo is okay, and yeah, everything continues, how to say, life continues. So this will be all for me for this video, and I hope I will soon start to create videos again, and yeah, we'll see. So till next time, bye.
Oh!